Good afternoon. My name is Cíara, and I'm the Research Project Officer with the Alzheimer Society of Ireland. Recognised for its commitment to ensuring the experience of dementia is integrated into all aspects of our research activities, the Alzheimer Society of Ireland is proud to support the Dementia Research Advisory Team to engage in research in a person and public involvement capacity. Having enjoyed the experience of supporting countless researchers with their projects, the members decided that they would like to take on a new challenge, that of carrying out their own research. This joint presentation will showcase the unique way in which this team works together to carry out research.
The Dementia Research Advisory Team is a group of people living with dementia and current and former family caregivers and supporters, supported by the Alzheimer Society of Ireland. We engage in dementia research in a person-public involvement capacity. We use our expertise by experience to work in partnership with researchers. Together, we create, design, deliver, and share research, ensuring the lived experience of dementia is at the heart of dementia research. Having enjoyed our work with the research community to date, as a group, we decided we would like to try our hand at running our own research project, something that is relevant to us and that we would have complete ownership over.
My name is Jerry. I'm a member of the Dementia Research Advisory Team. And we started out in 2019, we had 9 members. The Dementia Research Advisory Team has grown a lot since then, and we are delighted to boast 21 members. But 21 members with very different experiences and insights and ideas about the kind of research we should do as a team. For everyone to have an opportunity to suggest a possible topic for our research, we decided to meet in 2 separate groups. We had a brainstorming session for our members who live with dementia, supported by the Alzheimer Society of Ireland research team, where we talked about possible ideas.
We had a separate session for the members of the Dementia Research Advisory Team, who are family carers and supporters. We spoke about our reasons for becoming members of the Dementia Research Advisory Team. It was a shared passion for being involved in dementia research, for being a part of change that we wanted to see. Having had lots of different experiences in the course of being affected by dementia, from learning about a diagnosis to changing relationships, we had lots of different ideas we were able to suggest for a possible research topic. We recognized the need to narrow down what our research topic would be.
We were keen to approach this project in a way that was fair to all members. So we pulled together different ideas generated at the 2 very different workshops and discussed their merits as a team. Some of the ideas included looking at how people living with dementia would adjust to a life that was post-COVID, things like Zoom fatigue and socialization. We also considered dementia and sport and designing a toolkit for health professionals so that they would have something to refer to when delivering a diagnosis of dementia.
As a team. Finally, to be completely democratic about it, we put it to a vote. We decided to investigate the impact a diagnosis of dementia has on a person who becomes the caregiver or supporter. Understanding how a diagnosis of dementia changes the life, not just of the person receiving it, but also the family. This is a topic close to our hearts. And the purpose of carrying out our own research was exactly that, to work on a project that was relevant and important to us as people affected by dementia and as a team invested in this research.
With the topic now chosen, we had to think about how we were going to carry out the research. We knew we needed to find out what kind of information was already out there relating to the impact a diagnosis of dementia has on family caregiver or supporter. But was that something we would be able to look into ourselves, or would we need help? As we worked together, we also realized we had different ideas about how we wanted to gather our information or our data. We agreed we would need to speak to caregivers and supporters, but that it would be just as important to gather the insights of people living with dementia. But how would we speak to them? After much discussion, we decided to enlist the help of a research assistant, Holly, who will support us as we go.
By carrying out a survey of the team, we were able to fine-tune our approach to running our own research project. We had to start off by figuring out what the impact on the carer meant to us. And from the survey, we were able to see that we wanted to investigate not just the emotional impact, but also the practical impact, the changing family dynamics. It also gave us the insight into how we wanted to gather our data. Some members wanted to carry out focus groups to speak to people affected by dementia, and some wanted to create a survey. By working as a team and using our personal strengths, we can do both.
Throughout the course of carrying out our own research, it is important to us that every member of the Dementia Research Advisory Team has the same opportunities. We recently created our first academic poster for running for our own research project. We put that together through engaging and collaborative workshops. The format of brainstorming and combining ideas is the way in which we continue to progress that research. There are lots of tasks and jobs to be considered when carrying out research, and we will continue to make our decisions democratically and use the strengths of the members in our group. We look forward to sharing the findings of our research with you in the future.